Hi, this is Greg Sain with the Options Power Team, DominateBinaryOptions.com. It is September the 3rd, and all of my trades just closed on silver and gold. I did both today. I tried to catch it, but I didn't get here fast enough. But anyway, I did silver and gold today. This is the power indicator, and that's silver here, and that's gold here. And as you can see, today's market was weird. Let's make silver large. Silver started today doing just that. Then it bumped up to here, and I thought maybe that was going to be the top of the day, but then it zoomed up today, and I took some more trades. And I'm trading on my sourced account, one of my sourced accounts today, and those are the accounts that I use that make my living. All right, I do $25 trades and stuff for smaller accounts, so people can see how you can use it. Options Equalizer for small accounts, but in my sourced accounts I use big numbers and I make big trades. Okay, I leave the identity of the trades, where they're coming from and all that, private because of my clientele. But anyway, this is the previous day high. It jumped way above the previous day high and went to a basically current weekly high. All right, that's a high number, 14.96, almost $15 an ounce. All right, and I could go into why this happens, but we'll talk about that later. But what I want to talk about today is the indicator showed me what was going on, but I already had set a net Dania alerts, which it well overshot. So when I got this alert way up here, I took more trades, and as it went back up further, I took more. I only did that because I figured it's only going to go so high today, and then it's going to drop down and do what silver always does. It seeks equilibrium. Now, if you're looking at a short shot of this, then it looks very well. Let me explain it from my page on the Power Team group page. I made a post about today and showed what I did for today, early today. This 6 hours ago, I took this screenshot of some trades I made, and that's how much I was making at that point. I took 5 more trades by that time, and it just kept getting bigger and bigger, and my trades were getting bigger and bigger. Okay, because I knew eventually silver was going to come up here and it was going to start dropping. Well, it did. Okay, and I did a lesson in perspective, and here's what that lesson says. A little lesson in perspective. If you only look at the current trend for the day, it would appear that silver will continue to climb. However, if you look at the weekly or monthly trend, you will see it for what silver always is, a commodity that is heavily manipulated to trend towards a put. That perspective will always factor in your trading decision for this particular shiny metal. Here's what I mean. When you look at it from just that perspective, it looks like silver's going up. It's going to keep going up. Well, no, that's not the truth. Because when you look at it from a weekly to a monthly perspective, it is trending towards a put, always. Okay, what does that tell you? Focus on when it goes up, that is going to come down probably before the end of the day. That's just my opinion, which is all it is. All right. Now, that opinion caused me to make some major trades today. All right. I needed to put some money in my account. Since that account was originally at about 86,000. It got down to $44,000 today. I think I posted that in the group as well. Let's see. Where did I post that? Yeah, from that picture. Yeah, $44,401.35. All right. If I was wrong, that's how much I was going to have from an $86,000 account. All right. And it's a sourced account. You may not know what that means, but that's a big drop. That means I got to make all that up at some point. But at the end of my trade day today, I'm sitting at $125,757.95. Okay, and that's an account that started with 20 grand. All right. Now, let's look at the expired positions. All right, from today. Now, as you can see, I made three $10,000. These are all canceled. I made 3 $10,000 trades today. The only reason why they're that number is because this particular broker doesn't allow over $10,000. And the time it would have taken me to take the options equalizer and split it up, okay, it would have been way too much. Now, believe me, first of all, these are not losses. These trades were made without losing. I made the trades to go against those in the event they lost. Okay? In the event that they lost. Today's the 3rd, so I'm going to show you my trades from today. That's the 3rd, that's the 3rd, that's all my trades for today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. Let me make sure I got all my trades showing. 6. Let's see. There's 7, 8. Yeah. Yeah, and that's the day before. Okay. All right. Here's where we started. Okay. I took a $500 trade that won, but I acted as if it lost and made the next calculation through the options equalizer. Told me 1625. I acted as if that lost. Next one told me 3,852. I acted as if that lost. I took 8,735. Then I acted as if that lost by hitting CODB and doing 5. Now, first of all, I would never take 5 trades in a row and lose and keep going. No, that goes against the principles of our system. Follow the system, you win. Okay? The next trade is supposed to be 21,515. That means that I had to do 2 trades of 10 and then 1 trade of 15. That's too much work. I needed to get moving because the trend was zooming up at that time. And when it got right in here and started working its way down, I started taking those trades because I wanted to get in and get this money because I knew it was going to eventually drop back down to where it is now. All right, so I just went in and did 3 trades of 10 grand. And that's 30 grand instead of 21. All right, so, and if you don't have the account, you can't do that. But let's just make this small. Instead of a $500 trade, let's say it was a 50. Then the next trade would have been 163. All right, 385, 873, and then 2 grand, something like that for these. Okay, or let's make it even smaller. $5, 16 bucks. 38 bucks, 38 bucks, 87 bucks, 100 bucks. You can do this, but you have to follow the system. That's the most important piece. Following the system. Listen, binary options equalizer is a tool. It's like a hammer. It's a damn good hammer, but it's a hammer. Indicator, hammer. We're building a house made of money. If you want to be contracted in that house building project that I'm on, I'm teaching you for free. Power team's free. Equalizer team, free. Right? The marketing power team, free to teach you how to sell anything you want to sell. I don't care what it is. Hammers, tea, coffee, Amway, I don't care. I can show you how to sell it. Hands off. Hands free, folks. Get the package, send me the link. I'll build a company for you. All right? That's from this page. Let me build your business. All right? Now, getting back to what we're doing here. I do all of that for free to teach you how to do this. Maybe not on this scale right now, but you'll work your way to that. All right? And what are you using? A big old giant hammer. Binary options equalizer. I got this particular pad set for silver. I got 3 or 4 different pads. This indicator comes free. This is a hammer that I've sold 10,000 of them for 97 bucks each. But when you come in my team and you get the binary options equalizer, you get this for free. You get this for free. You get this team for free. Very secret stuff going on in here. All right? And you get the marketing power team for free to show you how you can build your business for free. All right? Not for free, but you build your business hands-free. Okay? It all comes from just getting this one tool. You get all the system, the 100% profit system, by getting this one tool. How do you get this one tool? Simple. Click there. See how simple that is? I keep it simple, folks. Click there. Get the tool. Don't waste time. Time is money. And the binary options equalizer changes everything. With that said, I appreciate you listening. I appreciate you watching. And as always, imparting peace and power.